Right, let's go to Vegas. Welcome back to the channel. We are on the way to the airport. Sunday 22nd of March, 12:51 PM. On our way to the airport to go to Las Vegas.
And what are your plans for Las Vegas, Daniel?
What are our plans?
What are plans?
Well, we're there for 4 nights. It's my wife's 35th birthday, so that's why we're going back so soon, because we couldn't stay away. So tonight, I think the plan is check in, try and get a room upgrade, do the old $20 trick, and dump the bags, freshen up, and then go and hit the slots. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see all that unfolding.
Yeah. Oh, me too. I'll have
like,
to
comment,
subscribe.
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. We made it.
Finally.
We're feeling shattered. Absolutely shattered. We slept loads on the plane. On and off, on and off. We got delayed by an hour. Flight was good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We made it in 10 hours.
10 hours, yeah, rather than 11 hours, but we're still a little bit behind where we wanted to be. Obviously we need to now go and get a taxi and get to the hotel and check in.
Check in, yeah.
What is it, about 20 degrees? About 9:30?
23?
23 degrees. Yeah. Here.
Let's go find this massive taxi queue now.
Yep, yep. Just gonna go and find a taxi. $25 flat rate to the Horseshoe. And off we go. Are you right? Can we stick our bags in the boot? Yeah?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Take your backpacks in the back, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Do we go around the other side? Or do you, yeah, okay. Thank you very much. We're going to the Paris. Oh. Take us to the Paris, please. Oh yeah! We are back. We are back. We are back. Look at that. Yeah! The aircon hits you. Air conditioner hits you. Oh, it's like walking the streets of Paris. Very nice. Hello. We're definitely going here at one point. Monte Cristo Cigar Bar. Entrance. Have a little nose in there. Very nice. Oh, it smells delicious. It does smell delicious, doesn't it?
It smells like Magic Man.
Yeah. Monte Cristo. Right, we're trying the $20 trick to go and get a room upgrade. Follow us and see if it all comes to plan. Onwards! Let's go! So it looks like the $20 upgrade worked. They've given us a suite, so we're just trying to find the room to see what we're getting.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's a bit of a walk. It's a long ass corridor. It's a bit different to the Paris. This is a Horseshoe, of course, next to the Paris. But they have upgraded us to a suite, which has a view of the Sphere and apparently a bathtub in the middle. And my fine lady will be the first one to go in and have a look. 997. It's only a bed for the night. 997A.
997.
Here we go.
Very lost one.
Okay.
Oh, no one's gonna.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's gonna be
yes.
quite quiet. 997.
Everything was like. Hello?
It's all on. Huh.
Oh wow.
Turn lights on.
Oh wow.
What we got?
We have a bath.
Oh my god. What the hell?
I'm definitely
What the
having a
hell?
bath.
You're having a bath. You got a bloody little kitchen area over here as well. Look at that.
Hey, look, we have Sphere.
All I can see is Casino Royale. Go on. Oh, fuck me. Look at this. At this particular moment in time, the
We have
Sphere.
the Flamingo, High Roller,
Oh,
and
look
the
at
Sphere.
that. We got a fucking balcony, mate. Is it locked? Oh, it's locked. We got a balcony.
Oh, this is pretty.
This is pretty. Yeah, look, you got a high roller there. The Sphere. Wow. That is pretty cool. Flamingo over there as well. What's that down there? Oh, Stage Door Casino down there.
And the monorail as well.
The monorail, yeah, view of the monorail, so you'll see the monorail going past. But we have a fucking suite. Look how big this room is. Look how big this fucking room is. Oh, get the lights on. Get the lights on. See it? Get up.
No, I just came in. I don't know where the lights are.
Oh my god. Yeah, there you go. That one. Can you get that big one on? What's in this door here? Yeah, you got a little wet bar there. Oh, there's a shower. Toilet. There's lights in here. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Two toilets, one for you.
I don't know, I hope so. What, is there a light for the shower? There's a light somewhere, I don't know where the switch is.
Hello, Daniel.
Oh, look! Double entrance. Look at that, double entrance. Giggity. It's quite a big shower. Oh, there we go. It's quite a big shower. It's got 2 doors, mate.
Steam room.
It's fucking massive. You got a seat. Who sits in the shower?
I do.
Oh, nice bit of artwork there. I like that. Close that door. Whoa, Roma, careful. Jesus, woman. Nice TV. What's over here? Oh, big closet. Big closet. Oh, look, his and hers. Yeah, little bench there. Right, it's a decent little room.
Very.
Just gonna look at that view again. Oh, baby. Look at that.
And we have coffee. machine
Amazing.
maker as well.
Coffee maker, so we can boil hot water in it. Has it got pods?
It does have something. I don't know how.
What's
to use
that?
it, but it doesn't actually
Okay.
matter. We have our own goods.
Vegas, baby. That's how we do it. We dumped our bags. We come straight to the casino. We've got Bacardi and Cokes with Dad. First drink in Vegas. And our favourite machine. My money. Yeah, we've got the
Which I
rewards
lost
cards.
before.
That's the one that gives us good deals on hotel rooms. The more you spend, the more you get. Hasn't been too bad for us so far. In she goes. In she goes. These chairs move. Bring us luck, mate. Bring us luck. What are you sticking in? 20? 20. 20 going in. 20 going in. Look at my wife, everyone. She's so happy.
So
She's so happy. Cheers. Yeah. Right. We'll come back if we get in. We need to hit the feature, don't we? We're into the feature. Huff and puff.
Half and half.
We're gonna win. What are we gonna win? What are we gonna win?
We never played this before, so
Yeah, it's the first time. 6 free games remaining. Hands off. We've seen it on
very
YouTube.
nice. Building houses.
Building houses.
Yeah.
Cover what's good. That's good. 3 free games remaining. Do I press anything? No.
Doing it, so. Come on. Come on.
What are we gonna win? What are we gonna win? What are we gonna win?
Come on.
Okay. We need houses, don't we? If I
Yeah,
remember.
but you just won 260 as well. Oh, there you go. Very nice.
Total prize. Here's the houses. Here's the houses. We've got a wooden house, no brick houses. Okay. Here comes the wolf. Right. Okay. Okay, 15. $15.
Well, it's not all empty-handed.
Right. Okay, so now what? 27.80. Do we go down to 20, cash it out, and then go to Paris?
Yes.
Let's go to Paris. Gosh. Forgot to say, $41 for 2 Bacardi and Coke. Wankers.
Oh well.
Oh well, let's go. Come back to our favourite machine, her favourite machine, our favourite machine, Heidi's Beer House, where we had our first big win. Got $20 in, and we'll see how we go.
Yeah. Bring us some luck, Heidi.
Yeah. Yeah, so on this occasion, Heidi didn't give us the luck that we were expecting, so we decided to cut our losses and go exploring. Dirt Dog, famous for hot dogs. Fuel bar. I've got a drink. Want a pickle in the pouch? I got a pickle in the pouch.
I got a pickle in the pouch already.
I need it down there so we can then maybe get a drink. Might be a bad idea, but we're going to the fuel bar to get a margarita.
To get fucked.
To get fucked. Already had a couple of Bacardis, haven't we?
Yeah.
So, yeah, let's see how we do. Here we are. Fuel bar. So what we got here? We have the Escalade. That's the one. El Cristiano, Robertsado Tequila, Grand Marnier, lime juice, agave, citrus sour, splash of orange juice. And it's bloody lovely.
That's a killer. That's a killer. That's gonna send us to sleep, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Or we're gonna just buzz around
5 in the morning.
until Atomic Museum.
No sleep.
With it being Vegas, Fuel Bar offers its customers a chance to gamble $5, and in return, they'll get 5 mini basketballs to try and shoot a basket. If they're successful, they'll earn free shots for the whole bar. Sadly, on our visit, we didn't get the free shots, but hey, that's Vegas.
Wow. You want it? You want it now?
I will get smashed.
Smashed.
Hey, I see the penitentiary one day. They're running from the police, that's right. Mama kept me pull up into my crack side. And even at the crack fiend, mama, you always got the black queen, mama. I finally understand for a woman it ain't easy trying to raise a man. You always was committed. A poor single mother on welfare, tell me higher. And there's a way I can pay you back. But my plan is to show you that I understand. You are safe. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much. Gee, mama. Yeah. I see no changes. Wake up in the morning and the ass was out. And try to work living till I'm flat was out. I'm tired of being poor, even worse than black, but never good. I'm looking for a person now. Cops giving them about a need, bro. Pull the trigger, kill a nigga, either hear you run. Get a crack to the kids, who the hell care? One last sucking mouth on the welfare. First ship a note letter to the brother. Give them good, stand back and watch them kill each other. They don't play fast, never Huey said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's dead. I got love for my brother, but we can never go nowhere unless we share it with each other. We gotta start making changes. Learn to see the other brother to the 2 distant strangers. And that's how it's supposed to be. I like the big brother to be close to me. Racist, correction, racist. We under. I wonder what it takes to make this. One better place, let's erase the wasted. Take the evil out of people that be acting right. Both black and white and from back tonight. The only time of children we kill each other. That kill to be real, time to heal each other. I know it seems that it's sick. We ain't ready to see another black brother stick up. And every single brother still the facts of prison is back. And it's still with black.
Coming up on our first full day in Vegas.
Morning.
We're going to the casino.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.